Black holes stand among the most extraordinary objects ever discovered in the universe. Though they cannot be seen directly, their influence is immense, powerful enough to bend space, control stars, and shape entire galaxies. These cosmic giants challenge not only our technology, but our understanding of reality itself. Unlike stars that shine or planets that reflect light, black holes are defined by absence. They reveal themselves not through what they emit, but through what they absorb. A black hole forms a region where gravity becomes so overwhelming that nothing can escape its grip, not even light. This extreme boundary marks the edge of known physics and invites questions that science has yet to fully answer. At the core of every black hole lies what is known as a singularity. It is believed to be a point of unimaginable density where space and time collapse into a state beyond current comprehension. In this region, the familiar laws of physics no longer apply, and our mathematical models reach their limits. The story of black holes begins with Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity in 1915. This theory transformed gravity from a simple force into a consequence of curved space and time. Shortly after, a physicist discovered that Einstein's equations allowed for an object so dense that it would trap everything nearby. At the time, this idea seemed purely theoretical, an odd result of mathematics rather than a real cosmic object. For many decades, black holes existed only on paper. Scientists debated whether such extreme objects could actually form in nature. That skepticism began to fade in the mid-20th century as astronomical observations grew more precise. One of the earliest breakthroughs came with the study of an unusual star system emitting intense X-rays. Astronomers noticed a massive object pulling material from a nearby star, heating it to extreme temperatures as it spiraled inward. The invisible companion had to be extraordinarily dense, too massive to be any known star. This system provided one of the strongest early indications that black holes truly existed. As research advanced, scientists realized black holes were far more than destructive forces. While they can consume nearby matter, they also play a crucial role in shaping galaxies. Nearly every large galaxy appears to contain a supermassive black hole at its center, objects millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is no exception. At its heart lies Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole that quietly governs the motion of stars and gas in the galactic core. Though relatively calm today, it occasionally flares as it absorbs surrounding material, reminding us of the immense power hidden at the galaxy's center. Despite their abundance, possibly numbering in the hundreds of millions within our galaxy alone, black holes remain extremely difficult to study. Because no light escapes them, astronomers must rely on indirect evidence. They observe how stars orbit invisible masses, how gas heats up as it spirals inward, and how powerful radiation emerges from swirling disks of matter called accretion disks. Surrounding every black hole is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, escape becomes impossible. Near this edge, gravity stretches objects unevenly, a process often described as spaghettification, where matter is elongated and torn apart before vanishing from view. Beyond the event horizon lies the greatest mystery of all. Inside, space and time behave in ways we cannot yet describe. This breakdown has forced scientists to search for a deeper theory, one that unites gravity with quantum mechanics. One proposed solution is string theory. According to this idea, the fundamental building blocks of reality are not point-like particles, but tiny vibrating strands of energy. Different vibration patterns produce the particles and forces we observe. In this framework, the universe resembles a vast symphony, with matter emerging from underlying cosmic vibrations. String theory also suggests the existence of extra dimensions, beyond the familiar three dimensions of space and one of time. These dimensions may be compact and hidden, shaping reality in subtle ways we cannot directly perceive. While still unproven, this concept offers potential insight into the inner workings of black holes and the nature of singularities. One of the greatest mysteries associated with black holes is known as the information paradox, a problem that sits at the very heart of modern physics. According to quantum mechanics, information can never be destroyed. Every particle, every interaction, and every state of matter must leave a permanent record. Yet classical descriptions of black holes tell a very different story. Anything that crosses the event horizon appears to vanish forever, erased from the universe without a trace. This contradiction has troubled physicists for decades. If information truly disappears inside a black hole, it would violate one of the most fundamental principles of quantum theory. Resolving this paradox is not just about understanding black holes. It may be the key to unifying gravity with quantum mechanics and uncovering the true structure of space and time. Many scientists believe that the answer lies at the boundary of the event horizon, where quantum effects and gravity collide in ways we are only beginning to grasp. Black holes themselves are far from uniform objects. They come in many forms, with vastly different masses, sizes, and behaviors. Some remain relatively calm, quietly consuming surrounding material, while others are among the most energetic objects in the universe. A particularly fascinating class of black holes are those that rotate at incredible speeds. These spinning black holes drag space-time itself around them in a phenomenon known as frame dragging. Near such objects, space behaves almost like a flowing river, pulling everything along with it. Surrounding a rapidly rotating black hole is a region called the ergosphere, where space-time is twisted so violently that nothing can remain stationary. Within this region, theoretical models suggest it may be possible to extract energy from the black hole's rotation, an idea that sounds like science fiction but is grounded in real physics. This possibility has sparked speculation about advanced civilizations harnessing black holes as power sources, capable of producing energy far beyond anything humanity can currently imagine. While such technologies remain purely hypothetical, they highlight how black holes challenge not only our understanding of physics, but also our ideas about the future of energy and civilization. Even more speculative are wormholes, theoretical shortcuts through spacetime that could link distant parts of the universe. In certain mathematical solutions to Einstein's equations, wormholes appear as tunnels connecting two separate regions of space, or even different universes altogether. If such structures exist and could somehow be stabilized, they might allow for near-instantaneous travel across cosmic distances. However, wormholes remain firmly in the realm of theory. They would likely require exotic forms of matter to remain open, substances that have never been observed. Still, the fact that the equations of physics allow for their existence continues to inspire both scientific research and imaginative exploration. Wormholes represent the tantalizing possibility that the universe may be far more connected than it appears. In recent years, black hole research has undergone a revolutionary transformation. Instead of relying solely on light-based observations, scientists have begun to listen to the universe. Gravitational wave detectors have captured faint ripples in spacetime produced by massive black holes colliding billions of light-years away. These waves carry information about the mass, spin, and energy of the merging black holes, offering a completely new way to study these objects. Each gravitational wave detection is a message from the distant past, revealing violent cosmic events that reshaped the universe long before Earth even formed. This new field, known as gravitational wave astronomy, has confirmed predictions made a century ago and opened an entirely new window on reality. Through these discoveries, black holes have emerged not as obscure theoretical oddities, but as central players in the story of the cosmos. They influence how galaxies form, how stars evolve, and how matter is distributed across the universe. They are engines of transformation, shaping the large-scale structure of reality itself. At SpaceLube, our goal is to bring these cosmic wonders closer to you. Black holes are not empty voids carved into space. They are gateways to deeper truths about the universe. They are invisible, yet immensely influential. Destructive, yet essential to cosmic balance. Understood mathematically, yet profoundly mysterious in nature.